All right, let's get Doggy some water. Oh wait, this is a test of the hose. What can we do? Let's take a look what's in here. And look at this. Nice ball valves. Just take a look at this. Ouch! See? It's kind of fun when you do that because you can tell these have been pressure tested. Let's do it on the other one just for fun. Here's the answer. Make sure that's turned off. Take this off. Get this on here first. It's tightened up a little bit. Hey, Doggy! Yeah, that doesn't. He's chewing up all the stuff inside. There we go. All right, now let's see what we're going to do here. And that might do the trick. I'm going to put this is the pressure to the hose. All right, now what we're going to do is see if we can get Doggy some water. That'll do the trick.